At Lithium, we love all types of products. We formulate waxes, we formulate ceramics, and we also formulate all types of leather and restoration products. However, for the hot summer months, there's really nothing I like better to use than a good ceramic spray, especially on this black paint that we just color corrected. Now, you don't have to color correct every time you use it. However, we've done it, and I want to show you when this car starts to heat up in the summer months, this is really going to protect up to about 700 degrees, and it's so easy to put on and it lasts for months. All you got to do is come along, spray it on, rub it in, come across with a cross hatch so you catch all the paint, and when you're done, buff it off. Rock hard shine with no streaking. And that's Ceramic Slam.